Most iPhone users don't know this secret camera feature that can transform your photography and videography overnight. Today, I'm revealing exclusive iPhone 16 tips and tricks that will completely change the way you shoot. Some of these new features are only available on iOS 18.2 and the iPhone 16. Let's dive in and discover the hidden potential of your iPhone 16 camera with this incredible feature that make capturing professional quality photo and video easier than ever. Whether you are an amateur photographer or an aspiring content creator, in this video I show you how to master focus and exposure setup for the snowy scene and unlock secret burst and video recording mode. Stick around until the end because the best trick is waiting for you. Let's start with mastering the exposure adjustment. In landscape mode, adjust the exposure is easy as swiping. Gonna go in camera mode. Now we are in video mode. To enable the exposure adjustment, just swipe from right to left. Now you see we have the exposure adjustment just here. Scroll up or down depending on what you want to adjust the exposure. Now we are going at -2 and +2. I'll go back at 0. Another way is to tap on the screen while you want to adjust the focus and exposure. You're going to see the yellow box. If you tap on it and hold, you're going to see AF lock. So this is mean that it's locked. You can swipe up or down to adjust the exposure. See? But if you want, you can also swipe from right to left on the screen. You're going to see the exposure adjustment. And you can adjust it here. This will give you two possibilities for adjusting the exposure. As you can see, we can go very dark. To close the adjustment tool, just swipe from left to right or top to bottom. It's quite simple. If you are shooting in snow like now, overexposed slightly to balance the bright white of the tone of the snow, this will help to keep the snow white and remove the bluish tint. Okay, now I'll show you an easy way to lock the focus and exposure. With iOS 18.2, you can enable focus and exposure lock. To do it, we're going to go in camera, setting, camera, camera control, enable AAF lock. Now we can close it. Here is how to use it effectively. In the camera app, when framing your shot, press and hold the camera button. Now you're going to see AAF lock. If you want to recompose your shot, I would just move it a little bit. Can recompose my shot, and it will keep the setting. And when you're ready to take your photo, just press, and we have a photo. And we are still in AAF lock. If you want to start to record video, just press, hold it, and it will start to record video. And now you can move your camera to record your video. And we still have the setting. Another trick for controlling the focus and exposure in photo or video mode. I will tap on the screen to find my focus point. Tap and hold. Okay, we have the AAF lock. We can scroll with the small thumb to adjust the exposure. Or if you swipe from right to left, you're going to see the exposure adjustment. And voila, take your photo or record your video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. This will be very appreciated. Thanks. Okay, I try to warm up my hand a little bit because it's very cold. Now we will master the burst mode and quick video. First, we're going to activate the burst mode in our camera setting. Go in camera, and you're going to see use volume for burst. Just right here, enable it. Okay, so we're going to close the setting. Go back in camera. We are in photo mode. This setting is ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects effortlessly, or if you are photographing a group and you want to have a chance to have everyone with their eyes open and with a smile. To start the burst mode, we just have to press the volume up button. I don't know if you can see it, how many pictures. I took 50 pictures. Now I will pick the best shot in the photo app. You're gonna see here on the top, we have the burst. If we open it, we have 51 pictures. If we tap on it, gonna see all the picture. You select the picture you want, and you click on done. If you want more than one picture, just select the two and click on done. We have the choice of keeping everything or keeping only the two favorite. I keep only the two favorite. And voila, we have our two pictures. Another way to take a photo or start a video recording is the volume up or down button. This is perfect for capturing moment on the go. If the burst mode is activated, only the volume down will work for a single photo. A bonus trick for you today, the dual recording feature. While recording in video mode, press and hold the record button and swipe right. This will unlock a white photo button. Tap this button to snap a 7 megapixel JPEG photo without interrupting your recording. If you need to pause the recording, look for the pause button on the left side of the screen, a feature unique to the iPhone that supports iOS 18. These iPhone 16 tricks are a must for anyone passionate about iPhone photography and videography. From mastering focus and exposure to burst mode and dual recording trick, these features can help you to create stunning content. Which of these camera tricks are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. I see you in my next video. Bye!